Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Make It With Mecca. I am your host, Mecca. So as you guys can tell, this is my chit chat get ready with me morning skincare routine. I am on my way to work. I have about 20 minutes to get ready, and usually my face takes me the longest. So I have already cleansed and I'm just gonna show you guys my routine, but I'm just going to be talking through it, so of course it's just a chit chat. If you guys want product details, I will try to put them over here or in the description box if I can't. So let's get on with this video. This is actually my my products are over here, so I'm just going to be reaching for them. This is actually my first chit chat get ready with me. I'm going to be looking at my viewfinder because I have to do my skin. So, yeah, I've already cleansed and stuff. How are you guys? Because I've, like, been gone for so long. I think about 4 weeks. After I had my SK2 dupe, I've been missing in action, I guess, as you could say. Usually, I don't take long breaks, but I had a lot on my mind. No, that's actually not true. I just got really lazy, so I'm just gonna pull this back away from my face. So yeah, let me just be truthful. I got really lazy. And I was like, oh, I'm gonna do it another time. But I never got to it, and I can only use my camera on weekends, which means I have to record a whole bunch in a day. So I kept forgetting to get my camera. So yeah, that was my moisturizer. Typically for my morning routine, I always like to go really light products because I am going to work. Adding my toner. So yeah, usually I am going to work, so I don't want like my skin to be super heavy. I like to let the products dry. I'm just gonna help pat them in. And if you guys want actual details on my morning skincare routine, I will have it up here. And all the product listing will be over here probably, or in the description box. So right now I'm just like helping my toner dry a little bit quicker. So yeah, like I said, in the mornings I usually like to go for light products, so I have a lot of nighttime products, and in the morning it's just 3 or 4 simple products and then that's it. So yeah, I already added my moisturizer, so I'm just gonna go in with this oil. Sorry if I'm like yawning a lot, guys. I told you it's morning. I'm not a morning person. I'm a night person, meaning I stay up till 3 o'clock at night. So yeah, I've never done these chit chat get ready with me, guys. So I'm thinking about doing another Q&A. I actually want to do one. I haven't done one in a long time, and I know I got a lot of subscribers from my skincare giveaway. So if you guys have any questions for me, any at all, no matter how stupid or if I've answered them before, put it in the comment section. And don't forget, you guys, I'm going to be doing constant giveaways. So please stay subscribed, and subscribe if you haven't. Sorry if I'm looking in the viewfinder too much. I really need to see what I'm doing to my skin. Oh, I love rosehip oil. It doesn't have a smell, actually. Anyway, how have you guys been? Have you guys been like going to work like good people? Going to school? No? I haven't been. Except work. I've been working a lot. It's almost Christmas season, so I've been making a lot of clothes for Christmas season for our store. So don't forget to show me some support by going on madeinbmorclothing.com. I will leave the link down in the description box so you guys can go buy some of my products because I work really hard making them, and I would love for you guys to get some, even if you're not from Baltimore or from the DMV area. It'd just be cool to just support me. Then you guys can tag me on it on Instagram with it. That'd be cool. Just gonna go in with this sunscreen. This is my sunscreen. As I said before, all the product details will either be right here, or you guys can actually just go watch my morning skincare routine video. It's more in depth and it talks about all my products. I'm really tired. I hate working in the morning. Like, I'd rather get up in the afternoon and then go to work and then work until the evening than go in the morning, because I am not a morning person. And I made macaroni yesterday. Like, it was really good. Like, you guys know I'm lactose intolerant, but I love macaroni. So that's what I did yesterday. I love my sunscreen even though it's winter time. So you guys can see I only just put on like 3 or 4 products. And usually I do this in the bathroom, of course, which is a lot easier for me because I'm not dressed and the water's running. So it's just a whole lot easier for me. You guys like my Pandora bags and all my bracelets and stuff back here? I'm gonna like let you guys see it. Yeah, that's my shelf that I need to clean up. I hope you guys can hear me okay. But yeah, my skin's like shining. Let me get up close to the camera. Get my skin. Okay, there we go. So you see how clear my skin is for now? Honestly, while I let this dry, I'm just gonna tell you guys this one thing. I've been skipping out on my routine a lot. Like, I've been so busy. I usually don't even do my morning skincare routine. That's a confession. I usually just throw on some moisturizer and some sunscreen, and then that's it. But for you guys, I'm doing this. I'm gonna try to get back in there. So I think my sunscreen's dry. I love chit-chatting because this is just like so random. What are you guys' favorite subjects to talk about? What do you guys want me to talk about next? In my next chit chat get ready with me, I'm just gonna spray myself with more toner. So you guys can see the reflective shine of the light on my cheeks is glowing. Legit. Okay, why did I say that? I'm really tired, you guys. I hate mornings. I'm never doing this again. But I might for you guys. So what do you guys want me to talk about in my next chit chats? Because I feel like I need a topic. I'll be doing a basic Q&A chit chat next week for my nighttime routine. So it's gonna be a chit chat, get ready with me for bed. So I'm gonna be talking about myself. So I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit more about me so you guys can get to know me. So I'll see you guys again next week. And I'm going to work. Bye! Thanks for staying.